So all is well in Congress and united opposition, because we have seen five MLAs have given a separate this thing, and
Statement.
and another two means Vijay Sardesai and Carlos has given. What do you like to say on it?
Given what?
In the assembly? This thing, LAQ questions.
See, today first of all is the BAC meeting, and today there are several things that we would raise as a in this meeting during the BAC. Maximum opportunity should be given to the opposition MLAs. आज ज्यांना ही meeting जाता आणि meeting जे म्हाका दिसता agenda and days have already been decided by the ruling dispensation. आज जेन्ना प्रधानमंत्री गोंयांत येता, that day on the 6th, that is the day when we are supposed to have a session. What is going to be the future of it? We have said and we have demanded that the session should not be curtailed. 6 महिन्याचो or session for 6 months, only 6 days we have to take these issues. आणि हुंय ना हुंय एक ऑपोजिशनाचे अन्याय जालोलो आहा. जेन्ना आज स्पिकराक कालच्या दिसाक डॉक्टर रमेश तवडकर म्हूण PhD अवॉर्ड जाता in social work. And I believe that there were 120 governors from all over the world, is what I've seen. And he's been awarded that. So, खरेंच जेन्ना Sabapati is the custodian of the house and is the custodian of parliamentary democracy. Whether we are getting our rights, first they said that 5 questions, 5 years was curtailed. My 5 sub-questions. So day in, day out, there seems to be a murder of democracy. Today, when we have 6 day session, it is learned from, and we are going to decide, and we are going to fight for our rights. I will put my letter of dissent in which I have stated about calling attentions being given maximum to opposition MLAs. जे दोन जाता, the दोन्ही should be given because ruling आहे that they are already in the ruling. What issues do they need to highlight? So after which we as opposition MLAs, before that we met as CLP. आमगेली CLP जाल्ली, and during the CLP we had decided that we will put questions jointly with the opposition. After which there was a meeting, and all the opposition members felt that questions should be put jointly. So it was decided on several topics suggested by opposition MLAs, and these topics there was a group that was created, and before the group that was created, questions were given to all the MLAs, opposition MLAs, and definitely, as you have said, that 5 have put together and 2 have not. I fail to understand why. Whether there was some technical difficulties, whether there seems to be a change strategy, but definitely all the issues have been taken, and we will fight as a joint opposition.
ओके युरी बा आमी पळयता की जो इंडिया अलायन्स खंय तो तुटता कसो दिसता. आमी सेंटरांतल्यान पळयता की इवन ममता बॅनर्जी फाटी सरलेली आसा, खुबश्या पार्टी फाटी सरता. सो गोव्यान कितें स्टेटस आसा?
No, see, whatever has been discussed, as I told you, the status of Goa, we have also not got any clarity. But we want the alliance to happen. It is in Goa's interest that we don't divide ourselves. If we divide ourselves, then BJP gets the advantage. आमचो प्रयत्न हा की आम्ही सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जायन इलेक्शन. We have to look at everyone's interest and the interest of Goa fight rather than a divided house. And we have announced as the Congress party that we are going to contest both the parliamentary seats.
सो पूण जेन्ना तुमी बोथ द पार्लमेंटरी सीट कॉन्टेस्ट करता म्हणटा तेन्ना पळयता आपाचे जे आमदार आसा ते म्हणटात तांकां सीट जाय आनी
Definitely, they have. They are two MLAs. They have asked for it. So let us see what the center decides. Whether the alliance is going to take place or what is the future. I think we will know in a short time. On the 27th, our screening committee is also coming down from Delhi to speak about the parliamentary election. Definitely, things are moving at a fast pace.
पूण गोव्यान उरतेली तुमची जी अलायन्स आसा ती स्ट्रॉंग उरतेली की एक पार्टी तर गोव्यातली TMC आसा ती भायर सरली.
See,
सो उरले फक्त तुमी आनी आप.
TMC Biosolier, she has made a statement in Bangalore. Overall, she's not come out of the India alliance. I don't think she's come out. Because they're contesting polls individually. Now, definitely, whether this is part of the strategy or what is, I think everyone knows. It's an open secret. But definitely, the need of the hour is that all of us should work together.
सो आता लोकसभा इलेक्शन लागलेला होता आणि जसे तुम्ही क्लेम करता सावथाने दोन्ही साईडीन तुम्ही सीट काडटले तुमचे पिलर जे काम कार्यकर्ते आसले ते सोडटा काँग्रेस आणि बीजेपीक जॉईन जातात
लाईक जोड आहे
लो जोड
And see, let me tell you, Joe Dias for the last 2 years, where was he? Was he seen? Was he seen in any place or whatever? So, our parties and political parties or Congress parties like an ocean. People will come and people will go. But the party जे voter hai, original voter hai, and the people that believe in our ideology, they are with the party. And definitely we are quite confident the way we had a good response in for the opinion poll day and the response at various booths. The cadre is charged and definitely we will definitely win some.
So united opposition will be fighting together this assembly.
But
Fighting.
see, there is no question of otherwise. What are you? You see, you either be in the opposition or you be in the ruling. You cannot sit on the fence. Fence sitting on government and appeasement korpak. For what is it? You yourself will be exposed. See, whatever was discussed. Can you sit on the fence? You are either opposition or ruling. So that question, I think, definitely we will. I have always maintained, and I have been very vocal in the assembly about all these issues. Definitely, together we will move as a joint opposition.